Hi guys, I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to cover your under eye circles using the brand new Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So just want to quickly show you the packaging right here of the Bright Fix Eye Brightener, and this product comes in 16 shades. It's also retail at 110 Malaysian ringgit. So I have 3 shades to show you right here, which I will include swatches right now. So the first shade I got is Honey, which is a warm neutral for medium to medium deep skin tone. The second shade will be Pumpkin. It's an orange to brighten and color correct medium deep to deep skin tone. Last but not least, I have the shade Toffee, which is a warm golden for deep skin tones. So I'll just zoom you a little bit closer so you can see my under eye circle a little bit more. As you can see, I have a layer of foundation on my skin, but I didn't include any foundation under my eyes. I didn't use any concealer, no, nothing at all. I just really want to test and see how this product works on itself. Just to go through the color again with you, for this color right here will be a very perfect color to be directly used on my skin. And then for this one right here is a beautiful orange corrector, because most of the corrector that I used before always comes in like a pot or in a pan, so it will be something new for me to really work with this orange corrector right here. And this gorgeous color right here, the toffee color, I think will be so beautiful for like a cream contour, because some of the cream contour always come in a stick or in a pan, but usually I hardly see like I think I never used before any cream contour that is like in a liquid form. So I'm super excited to try. So first of all, as I mentioned earlier, I want to test the product by itself, and the first color I'm going to go for is this Honey shade right here. I want to put directly under my eye because I want to test the product and see how it goes by itself. So I'm just taking a little bit of the honey on my brush and I just dabbing under my eye. Whoa, instantly it brightens. What? Is the camera picking up? Because in real life, like, I don't think I need a corrector for this product right here. And this shade right here matched me so nicely. And you guys, I think I used like less than few seconds to actually blend everything out. It is so natural. Oh my god. I'm so surprised. And this is my first impression, by the way. I haven't actually played with this product and I haven't watched any reviews on this product yet, because I really wanted to test out this product because I was so excited to actually get this product. I don't know whether you guys can see, but it instantly brightens. I don't think I can see any darkness under my eye, maybe just a tad bit peeking through, but overall it really just gives us such a beautiful, natural, not too matte but still got the healthy skin looking. And I think through the camera, I don't think you can see I'm wearing any makeup. I feel like I just had 10 hours of sleep or something like that. Oh my god. This product by itself is so wow. So first impression, using Honey on my under eye circle on this side, no corrector, no nothing, by itself is working so amazing. So let's jump on to the second eye right here, and this one I really want to test out with the orange corrector, as you can see right here. So usually I do makeup on my clients for orange corrector. It works beautifully well on deep skin, even medium skin like me, especially if you have really dark under eye circle. So for my under eye circle, I wouldn't say it is too dark, but I think an orange corrector really can help. So let's see how it works. And you guys, little bit definitely goes a long way. So let's see. Ooh. Okay, for this product, really little bit goes a long way, because like, just imagine just now I used a little bit of product and it just covered the whole under eye area. And this one right here, I feel like the products are very pigmented, so you guys really need a little bit. Okay, so you can see right here, I mainly focus the orange corrector at my darkness area. Don't put, I feel like a lot of people do use a lot of color corrector, especially the orange one, but the problem of using too much color corrector, especially the orange one, right? Later on when you're going to go in with a concealer or foundation, right, you'll be having a hard time actually blending out the color corrector, and that's a problem that you do want to face. So make sure that you are putting the color corrector only where you actually need it. So somewhere around here, and I'm just going to take a little bit more and put it at the sides right here, because usually I have a little bit darkness at the sides. So just like that, and I'm using like a flat top brush to really like place the product. And one thing about another tip of using like corrector is you don't want to smudge the product too much, then you'll be losing coverage for the corrector. Just dab and really place the product where you want it to be. And as you can see right here, I already laid down the pumpkin orange corrector shade, and now I'm going back in with the honey shade, and I'm just going to lay on top of it. So this one will really help to brighten the under eye area, and at the same time just cover all the dark circles. So I hope after applying the orange corrector, it cancels out everything. So far it's looking super good. Okay, I'm just going to blend everything out. And I think I might use a little bit too much also, because this product goes a long way, guys. Like you can see, I continuously blending to like almost my cheek area already, and I just use so little of it, and I still got so much product on my hands. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my eyelid area. Okay, I can immediately see a difference. The orange corrector really helps so much, because if you see right here, if you compare this eye and this eye, you can see this, like below this part right here, you can see a little bit of darkness, but this one really just, the orange corrector really cancels out everything, and it's so hard to find a very good orange corrector, you guys. And this one right here just blend effortlessly on the skin, and you can see I use so minimum amount of the orange corrector, and you don't see any orange kind of effect, and the honey shade really just brighten it's up everything. So wow, I am so impressed. This is my first impression, guys, and I'm so impressed. So what I'm going to do next, I'll be just tapping a little bit of the powder just so that I give a fast shot of this product right here to really shine. And you guys, I tap a little bit of it just to see how it works. And I also want to try something out, and since we already used the Honey Bright Fix right here, I want to top it off with the Fenty Beauty Pro Conceal, and I'm in the shade 300. I'm just going to lightly put a little bit right here, a little bit right here, a little right here. Basically it's just 3 dots, and I'm gonna use back the same brush right here to just tap it in, because I really want the eyes to really brighten up. So far it's really brightening up. Like this one, I don't think I have to, because the orange corrector really helps to conceal everything. But if I were to put another layer of the Pro Conceal concealer right there, it will make it so much brighter. So I'm just gonna compare here. Okay. Whoa, okay, I think I really do love this side. But can you see like the difference so far? You can see for the Pro Conceal, I believe it is more matte compared to the Bright Fix right here, because the Bright Fix is such a natural finish right here. But I just dab this one on right here, and for me, I don't think I will set this with powder at all, because the Bright Fix is actually super duper matte, and I don't want to make it even more matte. And it's so far holding up on the creases, it's not really creasing so much, and both under eye circles are actually super brightened. But I would say the Pro Conceal highlighter, because the concealer shade is really brighter than my skin, so it really shows a brighter color. But I want you to see the difference is like, even though how bright it is, you can see right here there's no any darkness peeking through because of the orange corrector. And here I'm just inserting a clip for you guys to see that I used the pumpkin shade, the orange corrector on my model right here, and you can see her beautiful deep skin actually makes the product, like, everything goes so well. And of course, at the end of the day, the makeup looks super duper nice, and the under eye area is really like conceal everything and really brighten up. So even on deeper skin, this works so beautifully well. Next shade I want to show you guys is this Toffee shade right here. So I just want to give a comparison for what I'm going to be doing. So this one is actually Fenty's Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer, and I have the shade Macchiato right here. I really love this product right here, because not for the bronzing effect but for the contouring effect. Because if you can see this shade right here and the Toffee shade, this one Toffee shade, it is definitely much more darker, I would say, but basically I want to show you guys is the tone, because this tone right here is very cool tone, so it will definitely give you like a very chisel kind of effect, a very like contour skin. But I'm so excited to actually test out this Toffee shade right here, because it will give the warmness of the skin. And I'm just gonna be dabbing in on a brush. I'm just gonna dab it directly on the face. So, oh my god, can you see how fast that blended out? Done. It blended out so fast, and the finish is so nice. Like, I'm just gonna turn a little bit so you can see. Oh my god, I'm even more impressed right now. And I think, like, I don't even want to like set it, because the finish of it is so natural that I don't think like you need to set with any powder, and obviously it's not sticky at all. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video, and I just done my full face of makeup. I just touch up a little bit of the blush and highlight, and the blush I'm actually used the cream blusher from Fenty Beauty. This is the strawberry drip shade, and I still love all of the shades right here. I really love this product so much. I think definitely one of my top product from Fenty Beauty. And of course for highlight I also use Fenty Beauty, and this is in the shade Hustler Baby, and you can see the beautiful glow right there. So all in all, I would want to show you is, you can see the amount of product that is still on my skin, on my hands, and I feel like a little bit really goes a long way for this Bright Fix Eye Brightener, and I really love the outcome of this side. I still cannot believe how beautifully natural this whole combination is, and I didn't put additional powder on my skin. It was just the blush and also just the highlight. So yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also my verdict on the Fenty Beauty Bright Fix Eye Brightener, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.